Hi there! In today's video, we'll be discussing QuickBooks Enterprise, a powerhouse accounting tool that helps businesses streamline their financial processes. We'll cover from its features. Let's get started. QuickBooks Enterprise is the most feature-rich version of QuickBooks, designed for large or expanding businesses. It offers advanced capabilities in accounting, payroll, inventory management, and reporting, designed to handle complex business requirements with ease. QuickBooks Enterprise, perfect for growing businesses, because it is flexible and scalable. Whether you're a small business scaling up or a large organization with hundreds of employees, QuickBooks Enterprise can be tailored to meet your specific needs. It supports up to 40 users, and you can add new users as your business expands. Customizable features. Unlike other versions of QuickBooks, QuickBooks Enterprise allows for deep customization. You can adjust the software to fit your unique workflows with personalized dashboards, reports, and invoice templates. Multi-location support. QuickBooks Enterprise is perfect for businesses with multiple locations. It allows you to consolidate financials across locations, making it easier to track company-wide performance and manage inventory and payroll. Key features you need to know are Advanced Inventory Tracking, QuickBooks. Enterprise makes managing inventory simple with features like real-time tracking, multiple warehouse management, and advanced reporting to ensure your stock is always optimized. Advanced Job Costing. For businesses in construction or services, QuickBooks. Enterprise provides detailed job costing tools, which track costs related to projects, helping you maintain profitability and keep projects on budget. Payroll Management, QuickBooks. Enterprise simplifies payroll with integrated payroll management, ensuring that employees are paid on time and tax calculations are accurate. QuickBooks Enterprise is built for growing businesses that need more than basic accounting software. It's scalable, customizable, and comes packed with powerful features that will save you time and improve your financial management. If you're ready to take your business's financial management to the next level, QuickBooks Enterprise could be the solution you've been looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth business software guides.